The story this evening about a case of online identity theft. One local businessman says he has been the victim of the cyber crime where people on social media use his posts and pictures to promote their activities. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Social media, a virtual space for networking and communicating with family and friends. But as Aubin Henry recently found out, social media can also be a dangerous place. The young businessman says he's a victim of a cybercrime that has its roots as far away as Africa.
People who are in the South African region, it looks like, have been using my posts and pictures on Instagram and Facebook to probably, I don't know if, but possibly be scamming people. I got a Facebook page sent to me saying that they have set up an entire Facebook page and an Instagram page and a Twitter page saying that I'm linked to this business in South Africa. There is also a WhatsApp number that they had added to it as well. So it means that you would have to call the WhatsApp number, which on WhatsApp, they have my image on WhatsApp. So it all ties back to my image.
For an entrepreneur trying to grow a small business, this episode could be bad for his business and his reputation. Mr. Henry said he has spent days trying to stop the online criminals from using his identity further. So now he wants to publicly distance himself from the scheme.
They started saying that I'm a Forex trader. I know nothing about Forex. I don't do Forex any at all. So if anybody has invested or lost money, it's not because of me. And they're trying to make people invest money because of my image, which is a scam. As of now, it has not affected my business, but I don't want it to start affecting my business. You understand? Right now, I really and truly look to expand into other countries. So I don't want there to be any hiccups along the way.
The matter has been reported to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC. The businessman says his lawyers have also made formal contact with social media companies Instagram and Facebook about the issue. He also hopes his ordeal will provide some lessons for social media users.
There's only so much that you can do to avoid this. I mean, the world is changing day to day. So we can do watermarks and try and ensure that everything is great. But criminals or masterminds will come up with another way to go around the system. So Instagram, Facebook, and the lawmakers need to put something in place.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.